Bet me, if you don't do this and you go in with your setting powder, your setting is going to crease.
Boy, I've been watching you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Pamela here. If you are new, I'm so excited to have you guys on board. This is a channel where you learn how to do makeup on your face, or if makeup is your side hustle, like you're a professional makeup artist like me, yes, best believe you're going to learn one or two techniques from this channel. So all you have to do is make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime I post a new video, because we have so much goodies coming your way. I wish I can just drop everything in one video, but no, it comes one after the other. So I post every Wednesdays and Sundays, right? So without further ado, let's just dive straight into the video. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to prevent the under eye from creasing, because if your under eye still creases after setting your face, there's something wrong you're doing with your technique. So I'm going to be showing you the right way to do that. The first step is make sure you moisturize your under eye. If you don't have like a specific moisturizer for your under eye, you can go ahead and use the same one you used on your face. Just take a little amount of product, but be generous with your application, please. Apply under your eyes properly and gently too, because if you notice that anything you apply under the eyes tends to dry out quickly. So that's why you need to moisturize very, very well. And when you are done moisturizing, please allow it to dry, okay, before you move into applying any other thing, on your face. Next thing is primer. And when you apply your primer, make sure it doesn't go under the eyes. If you have been an OG, you've been following my channel from the onset, you know that I always say it. Please, primers don't go under the eyes. So when you're applying your primer, avoid under the eyes totally. When applying your foundation, make sure you don't go straight under the eyes immediately. Just start from this place. Okay? See that under the eyes, there is no product. There is no foundation under the eyes. I don't know if you guys can see it properly. We're going to use concealer for that. That is why we have concealer to color correct. Okay? Yes. This is how you'll be applying your concealer. Inner corner, and then you put here just to lift the eyes. The same thing I will do on the other side, and then lift the eyes. So when it comes to blending, go in with a damp beauty blender. You can see, then slightly. You have to make this face if you want to blend your concealer very well. You push in gently. Can you see? Your under eye is going to crease immediately you finish applying your concealer. That is normal, okay? Bet me, if you don't do this and you go in with your setting powder, your setting is going to crease. Period. What you need to do is go in with your beauty blender and push in the product, your concealer. Make sure you push it in before going in to set your under eyes. This is very important. This technique, you don't need to do what? Skip it. Make sure you do it. Can you see? When setting your under eye, this is the technique. Pick a product, okay? Either with your, what's it called? Powder puff or beauty blender, then dust off excess. Do it layer by layer. That will help you. And when you are doing it, setting, you press into the skin, you don't place. Let's go. Just make sure you keep building up till you get your desired results. Then you can stop. When you know that you must have done a great job is when you touch your under eye and it's so smooth, it doesn't crease. Can you see? You've done a great job. I'm going to finish up now by just applying powder on my entire face. And when it gets to your under eye, just pick a color, a shade that is close to your under eye shade, whatever, and just press, still pressing, okay, so that the powder can last. Why I'm saying you should press it is many people go all the way dusting off the excess powder and thereby cleaning everything they have placed. So that's why you need to press your under eye very well. You need to be smooth. Guys, can you see? I just have to finish off the look off camera, okay? And I hope this video helped you guys. I hope you learned something from this video. This technique will help you to stop your under eye from creasing. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime I post a new video. Follow me on all my social media platforms. Make sure you share to your loved ones. Drop your comments. I would love to read them. We'll see you in my next one. Bye.